How to use Google Lens software or the Google Lens application in order to simply translate a text with your camera. Now you can simply scan a text and it will be translated just on your mobile phone for you with the help of your camera. So how you can simply do it. Now you can do this thing from application from the website as well, but in this video for clear information I will show you this on website how you can use it on your mobile device. Now simply open your Google Chrome and search for Google Lens here, and then click on the first website you see, that is Google Lens. Click on get the application here and it will redirect you to the Google Play Store or any of the website where you can get this. Now this is already on my phone here. So as you can see on the search bar on the right, here's an option called the camera icon here. You simply have to click it, and then you have to simply click and search with your camera or scan with your camera here, and then you can scan any type of document just from this camera and it will translate you for this. As you can see the option on left bottom of screen, that is translate, so you can do it from this menu. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such amazing updates like that.